Alright, so first off, we're going to start with a math problem. This is 1k plus 2k equals negative times 2x times 2k times 2 to square, 2 times 1k add 2k equals negative 2 to the second equals negative times 2 to the second power k minus 2. Now I know this looks like 2 times 2, but I don't know how to get a power. I don't know how to get the power symbol. So if I tried shrinking that, it would only go to the bottom. So I just did it right there. It's solved 2 times 2. Well, anyways, it's supposed to be 2 to the second, and we are going to be solving this with our first step, the DP, also known as distributive property. Alright, so we're doing distributive property. 2 times 1k plus 2k equals negative 2 times squared minus 2, which is now, you're going to do the outside, which is 2 times 1k, and the outside again times 2k. This will give you what I believe to be 2k add 4k. Now over here, this negative symbol, if you don't mind me showing you, this negative symbol will be 2 squared, which is 4 minus 2. Now that's negative and a negative, so that equals positive, that is a 4. Negative and negative would equal, that's a negative and negative, that would equal a positive 2. This is negative and positive, this would equal a negative 4. Thank you. Distributive property. Which then you're going to have 2k add 4k equals negative 2k to the second minus 2. You will then combine like terms, which like terms are the k's, or the numbers that have the same variable, also known as k in this case, which 2k would be added onto 4k, and 2k on negative 2k squared would not be, since it's not on the other side of the equal sign. Which then, if you combine like terms 2k and 4k, you get 6k, and then everything else drops down from there. Which then, we have 6k equals negative 2k, 2 plus 2. We're gonna solve for the exponent here. Negative 2k squared. We are now gonna solve for exponent just to get that out of the way. What is 2 times 2? Also, when I did this, 2k plus 4k, that is combining like terms. Which then, after you do the exponents, you get 6k equals 4k plus 2. So here you want to keep the highest variable, which is known as k. And so, is 6k bigger than 4k? I think so. So I'm going to keep the 6k. Which then we have 6k minus 4k and 4k minus 4k. We have 2k equals 2 right now. So after the 4's eliminate, you just minus 4 from 6, which is 2k equals 2. Yeah? Well, then we have 2k equals 2, 2 divided by 2. And so you will get, which then you have k equals 1, k equals 1 solved. K is solved. Here's the work on paper. You have 2 times 1k plus 2k equals negative 2 squared k minus 2. Which then you do distributive property, which is 2 times 1k plus 2k, and negative 1 times 2 squared, too loud. Then you have negative 1 times 2 squared, and k minus 2. You are then going to do 2k plus 4k equals negative 2 squared k plus 2. Then you combine like terms, which is 2k and 4k. Hang on. What's up, Damien? I'm doing math homework. Okay. Anyway, you combine like terms, which you get 6k, and you drop the others down. So you get 6k equals negative 2 squared k plus 2. Milli! Exponents. Ignore milli. Exponents. You do the exponents next, which is 2. Then you would have 6k equals 4k plus 2. Which then you do negative 4k and 4k divide. You do 6 minus 4k and 4 minus 4k. Which then you would have 2k equals 2 divided by 2, which is k equals 1. And I would say PEMDAS, but I would have to put this in order, and I really don't want to. I could try. So now you have PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Yeah, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Not people extremely murder, dead. Okay. I don't know how to never mind. Parentheses first. And then we do adding. And then we did exponents. And then we did subtracting. And then we had dividing. We did everything except for multiplying. Well, that'd be a lie. That would be a lie. We did parentheses 2 times 1k, but I think that fits in PM. Thank you for watching. I'm still learning, but I'm close. Well, Mr. Simmons, you are now taught, and this is for anybody who struggled. Thank you for watching. I'm still learning, but I'm close. Well, Mr. Simmons, you are now taught, and this is for anybody who struggles. Solving for a variable unknown such as k, j, x, y, and any variables you have yourself. Any variables. You have yourself a fine day. So now I just jam out the music. Here, you can go over the problem if you want. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Now I'm just gonna listen to music. I hope this is 100. I hope.